Hopefully everybody has a ton of fun making a cootie catcher or fortune teller. We're going to start with a regular piece of paper and make a square by folding one edge down until you get a nice point, and then make a nice crease. Now we need to get rid of this edge, so we're going to take this and fold it over, press a nice crease on it, and you're just going to go back and forth until you can pull that apart. So now we've already got our first line. We're going to go ahead and open it and make a second line. We have the folded line going up and down. We're going to bring the points to meet. Bring your one hand down and then go over to each side. If you start by going straight to the middle, you'll have a better chance of it being straight. Okay, now we're going to hold it horizontally and we're going to make a line straight across. Open it up, turn it again, and we're going to make this last line across the middle here. Okay, open it up again, turn it like a diamond, take the bottom up to the middle, press it and hold through the middle and out. And we're going to repeat this all the way around. Turn, bring your point up to the middle, press out through the middle and out. It's okay if it's not perfect. You want to make sure that these don't overlap each other. Now we're going to flip this way to where you can't see any of these open flaps on the diamond. And you're going to take the bottom angle and flip it to the middle again. We're going to do the same thing all the way around. Now let's fold it in half. If you want to fold it in half the other way, you can. At this point, you have the open little flaps on the edge. Look, if you pinch your hands on this side, then you can stick your fingers in there. So what we're going to do is write a color on the outside. In here, if you want to write yes or no answers, somebody can ask, will I be a famous artist when I grow up? And under here could say yes, no, maybe, absolutely, you bet, not a chance, something like that. Or if you want to just tell someone's future, you can write in here, you will be the president, you will be a famous artist, you will have 200 cats. Okay, what do you pick? Red, R-E-D. 2, 1, 2, 6. You will become allergic to candy. Sorry. Let's do one with this one. Black, B-L-A-C-K. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay, my question. I'm going to pick number 4, but my question is, will I have fun on spring break? Absolutely. Whoop, whoop. Yay. I hope you guys have fun on spring break too. Have fun making these.